To all of you, today I am going to explain a reciprocating air compressor. As the name suggests, we are going to compress the incoming air. It means to increase the temperature and the pressure of the given air. Today I will explain basic principle and the working of the reciprocating air compressor. Basic components of reciprocating air compressor are piston, cylinder, connecting rod and crankshaft. It also have suction valve, discharge valve and valve seat. When crankshaft is connected to motor or engine, it provides rotational motion to crankshaft. And piston inside the air compressor move downwards and it creates vacuum above piston, which creates suction in the suction valve, and incoming air comes inside the air compressor and discharge valve gets stopped. This happens due to atmospheric pressure is greater than vacuum inside the air compressor. Now in this figure, as suction valve move, piston of the air compressor move upward and it compresses the gases, and the pressure inside the air compressor increases and discharge valve opens and we get the supply of compressor. This happens because atmospheric pressure is less than the pressure of the compressor. Application of this compressed air is in beverage industry, food industry, oil refineries and in automobile services.
Myself Akshay Khade. I am from third year, BTech Chemical Engineering Department, Institution Innovation Council of Lakshminarayan Institute of Technology is conducting Explore competition. Under this competition, our group has made air compressor of reciprocating type. So what is air compressor? Air compressor is a device which is used to compress air at a high temperature and high pressure, and this compressed air can be used for various applications in industries as well as workshops. The two main classifications of air compressor are positive displacement compressors and dynamic compressors. The positive displacement compressors are further classified into reciprocating compressors and rotary compressors, and dynamic compressors are classified into axial compressors and centrifugal compressors. Let us take a look on our single acting reciprocating air compressor. Component required for making reciprocating air compressor are 12 volt battery, 12 volt 60 rpm gear motor, syringe, bicycle valves, rubber tube, bicycle spokes, wooden plywood and connecting wires. Reciprocating air compressor are like automobile engines containing cylinder and piston arrangement. Depending on type, reciprocating compressor may have one or more cylinder. Each cylinder has a suction valve and a discharge valve. Now let us see our single acting reciprocating compressor. This is our 12 volt battery which is used to supply electric current to 60 rpm 12 volt geared motor. This is a crankshaft. These are bicycle spokes in which this spoke is acting as a wrist pin and this rod is acting as a connecting rod. This is a syringe which is acting as a cylinder piston arrangement, in which this is cylinder, this is piston and this is cylinder. These two are bicycle valves, in which this valve is acting as a suction valve and this valve is acting as a discharge valve.
which is further connected to the rubber tube. This is wooden plywood on which we have made our setup, and these are connecting wires. Let us take a look on the working of model. Coming out from the water proves that compressed air is generated in a cylinder and it is passed through the discharge hole. Also blow a balloon using this compressed air, but as it is a single piston arrangement, it takes a bit a longer time. Lastly, I may like to express a sincere thank to Dr. Jayant Modak sir for guiding us for this model. Thank you.